Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cube root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared. This one, we have 2s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. The s we change by this one. Three over 2 I will put outside. U square and u, we have u to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of 3 in here. We have u to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. Number 2 and number 4, we have number 8. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.